Hey everyone, so I know this is not my typical format. I've got some distractions around me, but we're going to try to pull this video off really quick. I've got my 3D printer printing some stuff, my wife is doing some work behind me, and my son is actually watching Cars 2, so we'll see how this works out. So I want to show you really quick two things. How to make your course folder for game design, because it's very important that your course folder is in the correct spot. And another thing I want to show you is how to get Unity software. So we will be doing Unity software. We'll be downloading it in like Unit 3 or 4. But it's really good to go ahead and try that way to see if it's compatible with your computer, see if you have any issues with file structure, things like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at it now. So the first thing you want to do is open up your File Explorer. So if you're in Windows 10, all you have to do is click on the little folder that's on your taskbar, or type in File into your search bar and it will bring up the File Explorer. If you're in Windows 7, you may have a Start button here. You can hit Start, and then File Explorer is one of the top levels for you. So just go ahead and go into it. Now, where we want you to put your course folders, and this is for all of your courses, but it's particularly important for computer science courses because we're going to pull from the same file every single time we do a new assignment. So what you want to do is go to your PC, and then go into your root folder, so local disk C. So that's where you want your course folder to be. So I do not have a course folder, so I'm going to go ahead and make one now. So right click in the white area, hit New Folder, and put Game Design. Now you can call this Game Design with Unity, whatever you want to do, so that you remember it. But just make sure that it's in this spot. It's inside your local C drive. Now if your local disk is named something different, just make sure it's your root drive. It's where you pull from automatically. So that's pretty much it. And then every single project we put will be inside of here. Remember, in game design, it's kind of like computer science. Any folder that you need your game to depend on, it has to be in the same folder with every other folder. So they all have to be together or they won't communicate with each other. So it's very important that this is in the right place. All right, so step 2 to getting the course set up, this is your second task for this week, is to get Unity either downloaded or try to download it and get me an email saying, hey, I'm having trouble, I need your help. Because we may not have time to get in depth about downloading Unity or troubleshoot it once we get to Unit 3. So let's take a look. So once you exit out of that, you're going to go to your favorite browser and go to unity3d.com. You can see up here in the top left, unity3d.com. Make sure it's the Unity 3D website and not the Unity forums. So there's a big difference. Make sure you're on unity3d.com. So the next thing you want to do is go down right below 2017.1 and click Get Unity. So this is going to get you to the newest version of Unity. You are free to download as many versions as you want, as long as you have a version that is compatible with ours while you're working on your course projects. So I have Unity 2, I have Unity 3, I have all kinds of different Unities on my computer, but you really only need one that works with our course. And I'll show you what that means in just a second. So what you want to do is click on Personal, obviously. You can pay $35 a month, but you don't have to for this course. You only need the free version. So let's go to Try Personal. All right, and I'm just going to do this for the first time with you because I took it off my computer earlier today. So I'm going to go, by clicking, I confirm that I trust Unity, and I'm going to download 2017.1, which is the newest version of Unity. So it's going to download Unity down here to the bottom left. You can't see it because it's behind my face, but you'll see a .exe file. Go ahead and run that .exe file, hit yes, and then go ahead and just run through the prompt. So now this may take a few minutes, but you know, read through all the legal stuff while you're downloading it. Go ahead and download the example project. As you can see, it adds almost a gig to the download when you do it, but I assure you, it's pretty cool to actually see this example project. It's really well put together by Unity. So go ahead and hit next. So download files to a temporary location, automatically removed, that's fine. If you want to keep the source files, you can, but you don't need to. Download it directly to your root drive. If you want to put it in your program files, that's fine. You can also put it in your course folder, but that's totally up to you. And hit next. So this is going to download 13 gigs worth of stuff, which should take about a minute on my computer. But just give me a second. I will pick this video back up once it's done. Hey everyone, so in that time, Cars 2 has been completed. I have eaten about a half a pack of Skittles, and my 3D print is done. So I had a little issue with Unity as well. I downloaded it and it got stuck on the install, so I had to do a restart. So this is why we're doing it now instead of later, is because Unity is a touchy piece of software. So make sure that you get that done as soon as possible. Once it is done installing, this is what you're going to see, completing the Unity setup. So you can launch Unity right away. So let's do that now and see what it looks like.
I want to see my video.
Okay, hold on a second.
Video.
You want to see your video?
Yeah.
Okay, let me finish this one. All right, so this is where I wanted to get to today. You're going to need a Unity account. So it's totally free. You don't have to do anything. All you need to do is go to create one, this little link right here, create a Unity account, and then log in. Now, so that's what your job is for the first day of this week. And then tomorrow, I'm going to put another video out that'll show you what Unity looks like, and I'm going to show you just the layout of Unity, because the first time you open it, it can be totally overwhelming. So I'm going to try to break down some of those pieces for you so that you can go into the first parts of the year knowing that you are capable of doing what we're going to do this year. So thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Please watch my morning coffee video from today as well if you haven't already. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you bright and early on Tuesday morning at 8:30 a.m. Thank you.